to buy yellow corn. Took it to the milling section where it was cleaned, peeled, milled into a fine textured flour. See how yellow and lovely it looks, like gari. So started making my homemade DIY cornflakes. So that's the recipe right there. Washed my hands so I can mold into a ball, and then the dough like texture it didn't quite bind because it is gluten free. And now rolled it out as thinly as possible to get a very flat spread, flat thin spread. The thinner it is, the flakier the end result will be. And so we pop that right into the oven to bake for 15 minutes. Then bring it out after 15 minutes to break it into flakes or bits or shards. Yeah, more like shards. And then pop it back into the oven to bake. This one's actually over baked, so I did a second batch. You can see the difference. It's crispier. Abby?